Today is Monday, October the 23rd, 2023, and we are looking at the German index DAX from a Ichimoku Kinko Hyo perspective. So let's dive straight in. And at the moment, we're looking at the month chart. And what we can see is a price action is occurring above the cloud. We have got Tenkan-sen set above Kijun-sen. That is a bullish signal, as is this green cloud just here. Chikou span, however, is below price action here. And what we can see is that at the moment, it is set just above the Tenkan-sen on the month chart. So what would that mean? Well, let's get back to that a little bit later. But I would expect that this is a bit of resistance. So what we may well see today is a hesitation of a further downward move in the DAX. Having said that, it's not the strongest support line in Ichimoku, but nevertheless it is a support area. So that's just here. Okay, so let's now look at the week chart, and before I do that, I will just point out to you that I've marked where Kijun-sen is set on the month chart, so that's just here, and where Senkou span B is set on the month chart, that's just here. So let's now move to the week chart and see what we can read from that. Okay, on the week chart, we can see that price has broken into the green cloud here. We've got Kijun-sen set north of Tenkan-sen, which is a bearish sign. So Tenkan-sen just here and Kijun-sen just above it. Also, like we saw on the month chart, what we have here is that Chikou span is trying to move through Kijun-sen. Now, since Chikou span on the week chart is set on Kijun-sen, as well as on the Tenkan-sen in the month chart, I do expect some hesitation in a further move south. So that's back on the back of what I see here. Okay, so let's go to the day chart and see what we can expect from that. Okay, so on the day chart, we can see that price action is below this big red cloud. We can see that Kijun-sen is set north of Tenkan-sen, and Chikou span is also moving well below price. Okay, on the basis of the support and resistance lines, let me just show you this here. So what I expect to happen is that eventually DAX will test this monthly Kijun-sen line, in my opinion, but it may well be so before it breaks through the Tenkan-sen on the month chart and Kijun-sen on the week chart. We may well see this happen. So it could well be that, let me just get the red pen out, that we may move to round about this area that would coincide with this here. So I would expect potentially an up move here. That may not happen, it may go straight down, but I expect that the DAX will move to round about this area. Okay, if it does go down further, I expect that this Kijun-sen line on the month chart has major support in it. So it may well go down, but certainly if it does want to move down further, there will be further hesitation at this level. Now this level may prove to become a good buying level. So that would be here on the support line, which is derived from the position of the Kijun-sen on the month chart. Okay, so just to repeat myself, we may see an upward move to this level, or we may see price moving down towards this Kijun-sen level, where I expect we might see a further hesitation before it moves down, or it may be an area where it moves up. So when it comes to this area, I expect that we may want to look at divergence in the chart. So let me just see where the RSI is. Okay, the RSI is set here. We've got a slightly, no, we haven't got a higher low yet. So that makes me even more convinced that I expect price to indeed move down to this area here. And at that point, we might start seeing divergence. If we do, then we've got to be on our guard. And if indeed that support level keeps price above it, then it may well become a buying area. But I don't think that that's going to happen for another week or so. Okay, I hope you liked this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm on 491 subscribers. So hopefully this week we'll get to 500. And that would help my channel's existence in essence. So thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you again soon.